ASML fell overnight as the prospect of further U.S. export curbs on its business in China offset growth in the firm's order intake last quarter. Washington is targeting the chip maker as it looks to stem Chinese chip advances. Bloomberg Intelligence Asia senior technology analyst Masahiro Wakasugi joins me now here in the Tokyo studio. And Masahiro, I mean, if you were the Biden administration, you really can't blame it for trying to curb these tech exports. When you look at ASML's numbers and really those sales to China continue to exponentially grow.
Yeah. So actually, maybe demand in China is pretty strong because they are aggressively invested in the legacy node technology or mature node technology because advanced technology is restricted, but still the self-sufficiency rate for the semiconductors in China is still low. So I think that China is trying to expand the capacity for even for the mature node technology chips. So I think that's the major reason why the revenue for the major equipment company is rising. So even for the U.S. companies like Applied Materials or Lam Research, their revenue exposure to China is over 40% still recently. So I think that at this point China is mainly investing in the mature node technology, not in advanced technology. But China can develop the advanced technology chips by using the equipment which they imported some time ago. So I think that this is what's happening at this point.
So if most of the business is in mature technologies and not the advanced ones that the U.S. is trying to target at this point, if we see more restrictions as they're threatening now, what would be the implications for companies like ASML?
So probably, as far as I read, some kind of media report, probably the maybe scope would be broadened, or maybe the more severe restriction could be imposed. So there may be some revenue impact on the ASML or Tokyo Electron. So we published a report saying that 10 to 15% of the revenue could be impacted going forward, but that's really hypothetical. And what happened at this point is that even after the introduction of the restriction, the revenue exposure to China is increasing, maybe quarter over quarter, not only for ASML but also Lam Research or Applied Materials. So I think that China may accelerate the mature node chip investment, even though the more restrictions would be imposed for the advanced technology. So that could be the the outcome. So, but if we look at advanced technology, the development pace could be slowing for China, but still, they can say that they can develop very much advanced, like 7-nanometer chips by using the older technology.
Could the results today from TSMC lift sentiment?
Yeah, regarding TSMC's results, I guess that probably the results should be no surprise because they already report the monthly revenue from April to June. But if we look at the guidance, it's we would like to see if TSMC maintains their 2024 revenue guidance. Now they are expecting like up 20, low 20 to mid 20% revenue increase is their guidance. So we would like to check whether they will maintain the revenue guidance. And also TSMC is now expecting the capex for this year to be around between 28 to 32 billion US dollars. So I think that we would like to check if TSMC will stick with the current capex number, or maybe narrowing, or could be raising the number. Yep.
Bloomberg Intelligence Asia Pacific Technology Analyst Masahiro Wakasugi there in Tokyo.